Alright, it's raining, we're out here. We got Serrato, Zaki, Brick, and we got Westy. Today we are gonna do a little hill bombing, right? Yeah!
It's really cold.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yo, look at this guy!
Dude, it's freezing, dude.
Oh my god, dude, we're on it. So many boards.
Skimboard.
Let's go, boys. Oh, this is gonna be so crazy. This hill's massive.
Please no hospital.
Actually, where's the nearest? I'm an EMT, don't worry, I'll take you to the hospital.
It also doesn't help us that there's plants right here.
Look, these things are sharp. Just aim for that opening and you should be okay.
Just aim for the bush and it'll slow you down.
Turn more.
Yeah.
Going like to this does?
I know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright. Go!
Oh no.
Oh,
Not too bad.
oh.
I don't want to get fucked.
So we're trying a new side of the hill. That other spot, it's with plants. This hill's way steeper than the other hill.
Yeah, this might be more to be honest.
This is steep.
We are so high up. I don't know if this translates to camera, but this hill's right?
Yeah.
This hill's go, go, go! Yo! Holy crap!
Doesn't mean it won't be strange. Like an old friend. The new face. It's all that I'm seeing.
Oh my god!
When you saw it in the first place. So always, if you don't wanna believe it.
Oh my gosh.
It doesn't mean it won't be strange. Like an old friend. It's all that I'm seeing.
Yo, I didn't use
Let's go! Yeah, bro.
do that again.
Dude, bro, we made a trail on this hill.
I'm gonna go fast as boy.
Go, baby. Oh, this hill's so steep. Holy
Like
crap.
an old friend with the new face. It's all that I'm seeing. When you saw it in the first
Let's go! Yeah, man.
doesn't mean it won't be strange. Like an old friend with the new face. It's all that I'm seeing. When you saw it in the first place.
GoPro's so muddy I can't even tell how this looks, but let's go, baby. Let's go, Lucas. Let's go, baby.
A little dirty.
Just a tad. I think Wesley's the cleanest, bro. Am I the dirtiest out of you boys?
Dude, I don't even know. It's kind of hard to say.
Well, that was sick. Till next time.
I believe in miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing, sexy thing.